On the night of December 3rd at approximately 10:28 p.m., a wandering individual decides to trespass onto a construction property. Is he taking a shortcut to his destination, or does he have something nefarious in mind? Within moments, the SentriForce Central Station was alerted and aware of the unauthorized activity detected by industrial-grade thermal cameras. A SentriForce dispatcher determines that the suspect tampered with heavy construction equipment. Audible sirens were immediately engaged and local law enforcement dispatched. The suspect continues to move around the construction site and is unaware that their actions and location are carefully watched and reported to a police dispatcher. The suspect enters onto an adjacent property, then, shortly after, proceeds to cross the street and enters into an enclosed dumpster area. Local law enforcement officers are witnessed arriving at the construction property soon after. The police officers waste no time and are able to quickly locate the suspect due to real-time information that is provided by SentriForce Central Station dispatcher. The construction superintendent was also made aware of the heavy equipment tampering. What will you do when your assets become victim of tampering and misuse?